I'm standing here at the Portico, which is a magnificent building in the town of Portaferry, which is a picturesque coastal town in the Ards Peninsula. The Portico was built as a Presbyterian church in 1842, and it is designed in the style of the Greek temple of Nemesis. It's a magnificent building both inside and out, and in 2015 it was completely refurbished and an extension added and landscaping carried out around the building. The other attractions in Portaferry include the ferry, which is one of the longest running ferries in the world and goes across every 30 minutes from Portaferry to Strangford. Portaferry also has Explorers, which is an aquarium and seal sanctuary. The town is renowned for having many fine buildings of architectural interest, including Portaferry Market House and also some fine Georgian buildings along the shore